Hey everyone on YouTube land. So the beater truck is back in action. I did the head gaskets last weekend on it. Wasn't too bad. So now let's go do some winter wheeling with it. I threw the winch from my trailer on the front. Years ago I had put a hitch receiver underneath the truck. So if I get stuck, I'll be good to go at least. I also fixed up the cab a little bit. All the cab mounts were junk, so I reinforced all that. I just welded the cab directly to the frame in all 4 locations, so at least the cab doesn't flop around anymore. So let's go see how this does. Let's see how the beater truck does on a hill climb. I already came down this hill, so let's see if we can go back up. First attempt was in drive and it didn't have enough wheel speed because it was in 2nd gear, so it made it about halfway. In the second attempt I just put it in 1st and it almost made it all the way to the top. It gets very steep at the very tippity top, so I'm pretty impressed by it. A good beater truck? Well, obviously the cheaper the better. I paid $450 for this turd bucket. It's important to have heat, radio, which I still have to hook up, and the doors have to work well. If doors don't work, don't even bother. Should you have a beater truck? Well, I never see a happy person driving a beater truck. If more people had more beater trucks in this world, the world would be a better place. I lifted a little too soon climbing this hill. See, my tires made it there, there. Now I'm stuck. Time to pull cable. I really hate these Harbor Freight winches. They're slow, and I don't think they're quite as powerful as they should be. But they do work. But give me a 8274 Warren upright any day of the week over one of these. I just drove the beater truck up on this rock with this front wheel, and I just noticed this back tire is off the ground. Apparently we don't have too much flex. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and keep on beater trucking. Till then, see you later.